In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products into opportunities on Salesforce. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure all your opportunities are set up for success. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Salesforce. This is the central hub where all your operations take place, so it's essential to have your credentials handy and be logged in to access your opportunities easily. Once you're in, head straight to the Opportunity tab. This tab is a crucial component of your Salesforce dashboard and serves as a central repository for all ongoing deals and potential sales. By selecting this tab, you'll have access to all the different opportunities your organization is currently handling. Next, you need to choose the specific opportunity you want to add products to. This requires identifying the opportunity by its name or other key details pertinent to your sales process. Selecting the right opportunity ensures that the products you add are accurately associated with the sales process you are managing. Now that you've found the opportunity, look towards the section labeled Product. You'll want to click the drop-down button located right next to this label. This step is critical because it provides you with options related to product management in your chosen opportunity. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to Add Product. Click on this and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start adding items that your opportunity might require. This function is designed to streamline the management of products associated with specific sales endeavors. Here's where the actual selection happens. You'll have a list of available products from which you can choose one or more items to add to the opportunity. Having a well-maintained and updated product list is key to making this step quick and efficient. Choose the items that are relevant to the opportunity you are working on. Once you've selected your products, the next crucial step is to enter the quantity and sales price for each product. Accurate figures are paramount here because they directly influence the potential revenue and forecasting associated with the opportunity. Double check to ensure all quantities and prices are correct before proceeding. Finally, after you've verified all the details, click Save. This is the last step in the process, solidifying all the changes you've made to the opportunity. By saving, you confirm that the products have been added successfully and are now a part of your opportunities data. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently add products to your opportunities in Salesforce. This process not only enhances your potential for sales, but also ensures your opportunity records are precise and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your Salesforce setup.